So today, I am talking about how you can earn 100K per month by uploading a YouTube short. First of all, I want to say that if you definitely want to get these results, don't skip this video and watch it from beginning to end. So, if you search now, what is the most downloaded app in the world, you will definitely get TikTok. So there is a special reason why many people use TikTok. Because there are many people around the world who do not have time to watch long videos. That's why many people are used to using TikTok. And short-form videos have many other advantages like this. Think like this: when you use YouTube, you often have a very good idea of what you are going to see through the thumbnail. But when you watch YouTube Shorts, you often have no idea what this video contains, because there is no thumbnail. It makes you wonder what is in this video. The biggest advantage for YouTube creators is they can show to the people who are not interested in your video category. If you go to the YouTube homepage, most of the time you will see either the videos of the channel you have subscribed to, or the videos of the category you are interested in. But if you go to YouTube Shorts, they show you channels that you have never subscribed to and even videos in categories that you have no interest in. So, because of these things, YouTube creators have a great opportunity to build their viewers quickly through YouTube Shorts. So now, I will show some channels that earn a lot of money per month by uploading YouTube Shorts. This channel was able to get 0 to 1.58 million subscribers through YouTube Shorts. And the monthly income of this channel is around 9K and 100,000. So this channel was able to get 0 to 3 million subscribers through YouTube Shorts. Okay, so if you upload YouTube Shorts but don't get views, I have uploaded another video before, check it out. Or I will put the link of that video in the comments section.